Hi Year 2, welcome to our English lesson for today. So like I told you yesterday, we are going to be looking at verbs for this week. And today we're going to have a little quiz where we are going to identify or spot the verbs in a sentence. We love a quiz in our class, don't we? So here's a reminder. This character is Veronica Verb and she says, "Hi, my name is Veronica Verb. Can you help me to find the verbs in the following sentences?" So let's have a look at this sentence and we're going to see if we can find the correct verb or identify correctly the verb in the sentence. So I'm going to say the sentence. You are going to try and point out that verb and then we will go through the right answer. Okay, so you can just point by just touching your screen. Sophie gobbled the yummy chocolate cake. Ooh, I wish that said Mrs. Bean gobbled the yummy chocolate cake. Sophie gobbled the yummy chocolate cake. Which of the words in that sentence is the verb? You can touch the screen now. Well, Sophie is a noun because it's the name of a person. And cake is a noun because it's a person, place, or a thing. The cake is a thing. So if we were to eliminate those and cross those off, that leaves us with gobbled. And gobbled is a doing word. That's something that she's doing. And a verb is an action word, isn't it? So gobbled is the correct answer. Well done. "This is amazing!" exclaimed Natalie. Which word in the sentence is a verb? Is it amazing? Is it exclaimed? Or is it Natalie? And remember, a verb is an action word, something that someone is doing. So what is it that Natalie is doing? That's right, she exclaimed. It's another way of being, wow, so excited. And the way that she said it, we might bank that one for one of our stories that we write next week. The kangaroo is my favourite animal. The kangaroo is my favourite animal. This one is a little bit more tricky. What type of word is kangaroo? Well, that's right. A kangaroo is a noun, isn't it? It's a thing. What about favourite? Favourite is a way of describing to someone else which one you prefer, isn't it? So the animal that's the favourite is the kangaroo. So that's an adjective. Actually, the word is a verb. So that's the verb in that sentence, is. I wonder what the answer could be. Wonder, answer, or could. Which of those words is the verb? I wonder what the answer could be. That's right. The verb in that sentence is wonder, because that is what we are doing. We are wondering which is correct. Cats are cute and cuddly. We've got the word cats, are, and cute. So which one are we going to go for? And if you're not too sure, then maybe think about the nouns and think about adjectives and decide which ones are those, and that will leave us with the verb. Okay, cats is a noun, not a verb. We can't do anything. The cats just are things, aren't they? Okay. Cute is an adjective because it describes the cats as very cute and cuddly. And actually the word are is a verb. Because if you're doing or being something, or the cats are being something, that is what they are doing. They are being cute and cuddly. So cats are, the word are is the verb. Rex tapped the drum. That one's quite an easy one, isn't it? So Rex is doing what to the drum? That's right, he tapped it. Good stuff. Alana glanced at her maths book. So a glance might be just, the teacher's asked a question. I'm going to have a quick look through your book and see what the answer would be if you're being tested. So what is it that she does with her maths book? She glanced at it. Glanced is the verb. Well done. Tommy forgot his drink bottle. So we've got the word forgot, drink, and bottle. Which is the verb? Well, even though he didn't have the bottle, it's something that he forgot. He did actually forget. What he was doing was being forgetful. So the word forgot is the verb in that sentence. Well done. Okay then, let's have a look at our task for today. So let me just find it. Oh, can't get to it. Need that button to move out of the way. Sorry about this. Here we are. Okay, so we've got some more doing words up here on your sheet today. It says all sentences must have a verb if they are to make sense. Verbs tell us what someone is doing. For example, the girl played ball. Put a ring around the verb in these sentences, copy the sentence, and change the verb for another that has the same meaning from the box. And we've got really good at doing this because of our Read, Write, Ink program, haven't we? Looking for words that have a similar meaning. So the first one has been done for you. So number one, Susie giggled at the joke. Okay, so we can change the word giggled, because that's the verb in that sentence, that's what she's doing at the joke, for the word laughed. And the word laughed hasn't been made up, it's come from the box here. So Susie laughed at the joke. What might we use when we say we started our maths? We started our maths. Well, which is the verb? Well, it's the word started, isn't it? Because, don't want to add a comment. The word started is the verb in that sentence. And we have the word began over here, which has the same meaning as started. Okay? So you're going to rewrite the sentences in your best handwriting and change the verbs in each sentence. After you've done that, it says draw a line linking the verb, which means the opposite, from the boxes below. Write the pairs on the line. So we have the word begin matched with end. The word cry would be matched with which one of these? That's right, the word cry would be matched with laugh, because that's the opposite. So you are going to write the opposite verbs in the spaces here, and then think of 3 more pairs of opposite verbs of your own.